Well, week 2 of By No Means Am I a Mechanic. I went and picked up myself some miscellaneous tools to assist. I have my trusty mechanic, knowledgeable friend, Ruby. So the car's been sitting for about a week since I drained it of antifreeze, but you can see that there has been some moisture that has still dropped out. Looks like just condensation, really. We're going to be taking off the transmission lines off the radiator and pulling that out today. Let's see how it goes. So, gotten the lines down. Just a slow trickle. Doesn't look too healthy on that side. Next step will be taking those off and then taking this fan out. Well, taking the radiator out. Okay, as you can see, got the rad out. Some of the fluid that was in the radiator was a bit milky, but as you can see, now there's a bunch of stuff in there. So, okay, my next step is I'm going to take the fan off. Well, I've come to a point where by no means am I a mechanic and could figure this out. So I've got the plugs out. I cranked on that before and I basically loosened it. So I'm not sure if that's the proper way or what. So I'm gonna end this off here and do some YouTube searches, and hopefully I can get some knowledge into what to do here to free this engine up that's been sitting for over 40 years. It's a 401. Let me know.